What's up, my people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I am gonna be showing you a remedy that would wash off belly fat, a remedy that would clear off those stored fats and stubborn fat. So this tiger nut is gonna be very effective for that. So if you want to see what comprises of this video, please do continue watching, and also don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my video. If you have any personal, curious or beauty questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. Link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also on my website, there are tons of natural ingredients. You can find them on my website. The link at my comment section, it is pinned down there. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright guys, so let's jump into this video. The first ingredients, we're gonna be needing some tiger nuts. This is actually called ofio in Yoruba language, and in Hausa it's called aya, and of course I know it might have other name in India and all over the world, alright, but in English it's called tiger nuts. Tiger nut is high in fiber content, keeps the body in shape, and also help to remove excessive belly fat. Is rich in vitamin E and C. So I'm gonna be needing a blender, and for the tiger nuts I'm gonna be transferring this into a blender, although I've already washed this. Okay, so it's ideal you wash your tiger nuts. The next ingredients, ginger. Ginger helps to balance the blood sugar level and support heart health. It removes belly fat and accumulated body weight. Ginger is perfect in relieving nauseousness, and it cures pain, removes motion sickness and constipation. It cleanses the colon. I'm going to be needing just a little piece of it. Okay, so I'm going to be removing all these branches of it. Then I'm still going to cut. This is okay for the amount of water I'm gonna be putting. So I'm gonna be cutting this in little tiny pieces, okay, so it can blend properly. Then I'll transfer it into a blender. The next ingredient, lemon. Drinking lemon water is excellent and is rich source of vitamins, and it protects the body against immune system deficiency. It contains pectic fiber, which is very beneficial for colon health, and it serves as a powerful antibacterial in flushing out toxins from the body. It therefore removes general body weight, and it particularly removes belly fat. And for the lemon, I'm gonna be cutting it. Now I need just half slice of a medium lemon. Okay, so don't take too much of the lemon. A little will go a long way. I'm gonna be squeezing the juice into the blender. So I'm gonna be putting some water, right? So you have to put 1 cup of water into half cups of lemon. Okay, now I'll go blend this and I'll be right back. So I'm done blending my tiger nuts. drink, and this is how it's gonna be like. It's gonna be milkish in color. Alright, so let's strain this out. Now you can drink it this way though if you want to consume both the fiber, but for me, I am gonna be straining it out. So here is my tiger nuts drink. It looks somewhat like milk. Well, of course it's not milk. This is really great for belly fat reduction. And this is not milk, but it tastes really great. You need to go and do this. You need to, you need to have this. You need to drink this. It tastes really great, and it smells really nice. All right. Okay. So you can take this drink whichever time. You can take it in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, and it's going to be very effective for you, in removing stored and stubborn fat. So if you do love this video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you're new, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. And also there are tons of ingredients on my website. Check them out. The link at my comment section, it is pinned down there. And don't forget to check out my vlog channel. The videos there are very interesting. Check them out and be my friend. Alright guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.